Hello everyone, this is Ren. Welcome to the market analysis for Jan 23rd. Before we start, please read the disclaimer below. Let's start with the chart for Spyder. So today again, SPY tried to break the 50-day moving average, but towards the end of the day it recovered. So this is the first time after the breakdown from this August highs. We are closing 3 days consecutively above the 50-day moving average. Last time SPY closed above 50-day moving average, which is this blue line, was on December 3rd. That was just one day it was above 50-day moving average, and then it fell apart the very next day. But now we are seeing a consolidation above 50-day moving average. So that shows some kind of strength in SPY. The more consolidation we see in this area, it could go up and test some of these resistance areas. Let's look at the 1 hour chart for SPY. On this hourly chart, SPY is below the 20 period moving average, which is the green line. But it has got support with this 50 period moving average, which is the blue line. So as long as it stays below the 20 period moving average, we could see more weakness in SPY. Today, during opening, it tried to break this 20 period moving average, but got rejected. So tomorrow we'll have to see if it can close on an hourly chart, if it can close above the 20 period moving average. If it gets a hourly close above 20 period moving average, that would be bullish. For a bearish move, SPY needs to first break this 50-day moving average on an hourly chart, and then it needs to also break this support level. I closed out most of my short positions with small profits. I'm still holding some puts. Let's look at the daily chart for VIX. So VIX spiked up in the morning. It tested the 50 period moving average here and then got rejected. And towards the end of the day, it broke this level of support and closed below 20. Like I discussed in yesterday's video, if VIX closes below 20, I'd be closing out most of my short positions. So I did close out most of my short positions, and I did not initiate any new short positions after seeing this close by the end of the day. These days, it helps to wait towards the end of the day because the market direction changes really fast during intraday. So it really makes sense to wait towards the end of the day to make a decision on your buys. Or if you have a lot of time in your hand, there are a lot of opportunities to do day trading. There are a lot of scalps that can be picked up for short-term profits. Tomorrow again, I'll be watching VIX. So any close we get above 20, I'd be again looking to buy some short positions. Let's look at some of the trade ideas that we had discussed in yesterday's video. First one is VXXB. This is an ETF to trade VIX. So in the morning it had shot up, it tested the 20-day moving average and then pulled back, but it managed to close above 50-day moving average. So tomorrow if you see more downside in the market, this should spike up again. Next one was Facebook. So Facebook did drop a lot today. It went to 143, which was my target. So I closed my short position when it went to 143. Facebook still looks weak. It could go and test the 20 period moving average. Next one was Apple. I was planning to initiate a short position in Apple if it had closed below 20 period moving average, but it closed above 20-day moving average. So I did not initiate any short position here. Next one is Boeing. So Boeing also had a pullback in the morning, but later it covered. So now it's kind of forming a bullish flag. So I am not opening any short position for now. So this will be a wait and watch for now. I'll be looking to short this if it closes below this green candle, which would be around 350. Next one is Adobe. So I initiated a short position in Adobe. So I still have it open. Today also it closed below the 200-day moving average. So I'm expecting some more pullback on this. With these two dojis, there is a lot of indecision in this area. Next one is PayPal. So I have a position open with PayPal short position. I'm expecting PayPal to pull back to 20-day moving average. I'll wait until Friday. So if it doesn't happen, probably I'll be closing out this short position. The more it's consolidating here, it is forming this bull flag pattern. So I'll be closing out this position if I don't see a pullback in next 2 days. Next one is shop. So shop again, it's consolidating in this area. So this trend line should act as a resistance. But more it consolidates here, it's also forming this bull flag. I haven't started any short position here. I'm waiting for VIX to again close above 20. That's when I'll feel comfortable opening more short positions. I like two stocks for long positions. So today I bought some calls for CVS. So it closed above 20-day moving average here. The earnings for CVS is on Feb 10th. So I bought calls for Feb 15th. So I am expecting this to probably go and test this 200-day moving average before earnings. Another stock I like for long position is FireEye. Today it closed above 20-day moving average. It also tested the 200-day moving average. Tomorrow if I see a pullback in this, I'll be buying some calls for this. Earnings for FireEye is on 6th Feb. So my benchmark for this market would be VIX. So as long as we stay below 20, we would see more upside in the market, and any close above 20, we would see the market sliding down. With that, I'll wind up this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also please share. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Good luck with your trading. Good night.